Welcome back to Housekeeping Monitor channel. In this video, I will share about 5-star security and housekeeping collaboration, secrets to guest safety and hotel success. From security side. 1. Pre-shift briefings. Security informs housekeeping of any high-profile guests, security concerns, or areas requiring extra attention. 2. Lost and found coordination. Housekeeping reports lost items to security for logging and guest retrieval. 3. Emergency response. Security and housekeeping collaborate during fire drills, medical emergencies, or evacuations. 4. Access control. Security investigates housekeeping access concerns, lost keycards, unauthorized entry attempts. 5. Suspicious activity reporting. Housekeeping reports unusual guest behavior, extended absences, excessive visitors to security. 6. Security awareness training. Security conducts regular training sessions for housekeeping staff on identifying security threats, proper access control procedures, and fire safety protocols. 7. Master key control. Security maintains strict control of master keys, logs usage, and conducts periodic audits to ensure responsible handling by authorized housekeeping personnel. 8. Safety box keeping procedures. Housekeeping is informed of security protocols for handling sensitive guest items like passports, credit cards, or valuables found in rooms. 9. Monitoring CCTV footage. Security collaborates with housekeeping to identify suspicious activity in public areas, like hallways, laundry rooms, or employee entrances. 10. Escorting procedures. Security can provide escorts for housekeeping staff entering and occupy high-value suites or guest rooms during off hours. From housekeeping side. 1. Room checks. Housekeeping reports any damage, missing items, or security hazards to security for investigation. 2. Guest safety. Housekeeping alerts security to unattended children, left open balconies, or potential slip and fall hazards. 3. Lost items recovery. Housekeeping gathers and reports lost items found in rooms to security for guest assistance. 4. Discreet observation. Housekeeping reports suspicious packages, deliveries, or activity in public areas. 5. Lobby access. Housekeeping staff can discreetly alert security of suspicious individuals lingering near guest floors. 6. Reporting suspicious guests. Housekeeping reports guests with aggressive behavior, intoxication, or disruptive activities to security for intervention. 7. Crowd control. Housekeeping can alert security of large gatherings exceeding room capacity or potential disturbances in common areas. 8. Maintenance communication. Housekeeping reports malfunctioning door locks, damaged windows, or faulty safety equipment to security for prompt repairs. 9. Overnight activity. Housekeeping staff can report unusual activity in public areas during off hours, like unauthorized access attempts or lingering individuals. 10. Lost key reporting. Housekeeping promptly reports lost room keys to security to prevent unauthorized access and potential security breaches. This collaboration ensures a safe and secure environment for guests and staff, contributing to a seamless 5-star hotel experience. Imagine this: a guest returns to their luxurious suite, greeted by a pristine room, and the comforting knowledge they're completely safe. This is the magic of a well-oiled collaboration between security and housekeeping. We've explored 10 crucial ways these two teams can work together to create an impenetrable fortress of hospitality. But remember, this is just the beginning. In the comments below, share your own experiences or questions about security and housekeeping collaboration. Thank you for watching the Housekeeping Monitor channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.